Hello everyone, I am Sneha, lecturer, Department of Physician Assistant, SNS College of Allied Health Sciences. Today we are going to see about blood groups including RH, ABO system, human blood group classified by ABO system based on their presence or absence of A and B antigen on the surface of red blood cells. Here is the image of red blood cell antigen. Group A contains A antigen, Group B contains B antigen in the red blood cell surface, Group AB contains both A and B antigen in red blood cell surface, Group O contains no antigens. It was discovered by Karl Landster in 1900. The main types are A, B, AB and O. You will see the types one by one. Here is the chart of ABO blood group system. Based on their antigen and antibody, it will divided into ABO blood group. For A blood group, the red blood cell contain A antigen. For B blood group, red blood cell contain B antigen. For AB blood group, it will contain both A and B antigen. For O blood group, it will contain no antigens. For antibodies, antigen will present in red blood cell surface, but antibodies will present in plasma. For A blood group, the plasma contains anti-B antibody. For B blood group, the plasma contains anti-A antibody. For AB blood group, there is no antibodies present in plasma. For O blood group, the plasma contains both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Based on the antigens and the antibody present in our human body, we will classify the blood into ABO system. Here is the blood groups. Red blood cell types will differ from group A, group B, group AB and group O based on the antigen, and also it will differ from antibodies present in plasma. For group A, anti-B will present. For group B, anti-A will present. For group AB, no antibodies. For group O, both anti-A and anti-B antibodies will present. Next is group A as group A antigen and anti-B antibodies. Antigen will commonly present in red blood cell surface, antibody present in plasma only. Here is the image for both blood groups, RBC surface antigen and also antibodies present in plasma. Group B has antigen B and anti-A antibodies. Group AB, both A and B antigens with no antibodies. Group O lacks of both antigen. There is no antigen present in group O. There is no antibody present in group AB in plasma. But both for group O, both anti-A antibodies will present in plasma. So, based on the antigen and antibody, we will classify the blood groups. For each A, B and O groups, there is negative and as well as positive blood groups. That is based on antigen D. We will see further. For O positive blood groups, the red blood cell contain no antigen in the red blood cell surface, but it contains anti-D only, so it is called O positive. The other O negative contains no antibodies and also no RH factor. A positive, B positive, AB positive also present. We will see one by one. Next is research system that is called as RH system. It is discovered in 1940, the second major blood group system involving 50 plus antigen, but we will primarily detecting the D antigen, that is called as RH factor. If RH positive means D antigen present, RH negative means D antigen absent. If a patient have A antigen and also D antigen means the patient is A positive. If the patient is contain only A antigen means the patient is A negative. Based on the anti-D and also anti-A, anti-B, we will classify the blood groups into O positive, O negative, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative and also invalid. For O positive, the agglutination only occurs in anti-D solution. For O negative, there is no agglutination. For A positive, agglutination will occur in anti-A and anti-D. For A negative, agglutination only occurs in anti-A. For B positive, agglutination occurs in anti-B and anti-D. For B negative, agglutination occurs in anti-B. For AB positive, agglutination occurs in anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. For AB negative, agglutination present in anti-A, anti-B. For invalid blood group, there is agglutination present in both anti-A, anti-B, anti-D and also control. Based on the ABO system, we will classify the blood groups as A, B, O. Either it will be positive or negative. The positive negative will be determined based on the presence of D antigen or absence of D antigen. If the D antigen present means the person comes under positive group. If the D antigen negative means the person comes under negative group. Here is the image of RH factor. It is also present in RBC surface. If the patient is having antigen, A antigen and also D antigen means the patient comes under A positive blood group. If the patient is having negative blood group means the RH factor will not present. Here is the image of RH factor presence and absence. Based on this, the patient will determine as positive blood group or negative blood group.